I'm out here again with Frank, the 3Ls, and my wife. We are going to leave Warsaw Dam, and we are going to head to Sedalia to show these folks the castle down there in Sedalia. That's something they haven't got to see. So, bear with us, it'll be a long drive. Frank and I is going to make a pit stop up here at the Honda store. Well, I'm letting my viewers know that. Yeah.
But everybody's stopping. Everybody's...
Oh no, they're welcome. Just so that you understand that. I got a Dodge Slogan walking me. He must have heard me and got out of my way. Yeah. You like that? Nope.
It was business for a while.
Yep.
You get your signal on?
I do. I don't know where.
You made the mistake of asking.
Okay guys, we made it to Dick's Honda in Sedalia. Frank and I'm going to go in and get a headlight for my bike. It's been out since I got it back, and I think Frank's wanting some Honda polish, so we're going to run in there real quick, and then we're going to proceed on down the road just a couple miles to the castle. So you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Yep, she's still hanging out. She's kind of puny.
Chronic waste.
See the visiting center there good now, Frank? They had it closed because they had to replace some windows that were broken.
From a storm. And
it looks like they're still missing them. Hi, there's Frank. Frank Woodsman. You know, the white stallion. She'll go, boys.
Let him go in front of you.
We're back here playing Throttle Twisty.
Let him get in front of you.
Get up here, turn right. That's right. You got that DCT, you can shift faster. Well, Louis, Lyle, and Laura, they're lucky people today. You know why? They'll never meet nicer people on a Honda.
Day's not over.
Frank went over and reprogrammed your Zumo to not take highways. He said you people need a little adventure in your life. Yeah. See, they won't get on gravel at all because they got a belt. Yeah, they don't do real well, but they can be done. Yep. Man, that's a good looking bike.
Well, thanks, John.
Their unleaded's higher, but their diesel's cheaper.
Yeah. Go underneath that bridge, make a left. Just helping you out, old buddy. Watch the car. Recalculating.
See, that's worse.
What is?
The wind noise.
Is it?
Yeah. Ow. The wind noise in my helmet.
Did he?
No, I mean from my helmet you can hear it. You can't?
I honestly think it's static for some reason. I don't know why. Because I've got static on my end too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. That dam right beside you, in '93, that thing had some water leaks. There goes Frank. He's looking good. He's coming. Yeah. I still got mine in first gear.
You know, you beat the biggest flyers on a Honda.
like them Can-Ams. You see that yellow light on your mirror? And the red? Well, you was going the right way. If you turn on this road right up here, you go down to where I grew up on this lake. No, I did 14 miles down that road. That's a good one. That was a good one. Yeah, she's slow, ain't she? I feel like they're trying to wrestle us in, Frank. They're trying to herd in a sheep or something. I don't know. That's funny. That's alright, they'll have to slow down in a minute. We'll go into Lincoln. You guys still enjoying the weather?
Still what?
Enjoying the weather.
Yeah. Except for the big bug that hit my toe.
Oh yeah. Frank, they got a Honda store down here in town too. Where we're going, yeah. Go in there and get me a headlight.
You ought to, since ours didn't have one.
Yeah. Yep.
Frank says it's a unicorn. Yeah.
The magical unicorn. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, I figured it'd say a rainbow one. Popo up here. Popo.
Oh God. Yep. Well, you guys are still in training. My wife talked me into taking her into these junk stores here a while back.
Purse I had on the couch. We were on a bike, but they told me they wouldn't allow purses. I said, you got to be kidding me. It was like one of these strap-on, or I don't know if it was that or a backpack one. It was on my back. I'm like, really? You can search it when I leave. There's nowhere to put it on the bike. I said, forget it, we ain't coming in. I wouldn't leave my purse because we had our helmets in the back.
No. No, not in this town. Sedalia.
This is Lincoln.
This is a spot in the road. That's a really good ice cream shop on your left.
Yeah, now. Don't blink.
Teah, you gotta see what Frank did. He got up there on that deal and took a picture of them fish. And he sent it to Sherry. He said, hey, look, we're fishing.
Has she replied back yet?
She probably hasn't yet. Yeah. Look at all them briskets out there.
No.
Ribeyes and tomahawks. T-bones. Now Frank would probably want that cow tongue.
I'd like a little bit of that veal.
Veal. Did you?